Welcome to Know About ClickFunnels Review 2020. ClickFunnels Business in a Box Prices. You always can begin with 14 working day absolutely free demo, but following that trial you'll find 3 pricing ideas inside of ClickFunnels Business in a Box. The pricing of $97 per month. The $297 per month strategy, as well as $997 bulk discount fee. Prepare recommended. Now, I'm intending to Companies Like Clickfunnels cover each one of those plans intimately. ClickFunnels Prerequisite Strategy $97 30-day period. The essential system of ClickFunnels comes with the fundamental options with the application. Having said that, in this particular plan you are able to only make 20 funnels and you'll only have 100 web pages inside your account. This approach is also confined in how many of us can stop by your website 20K monthly. You can also use state-of-the-art attributes like ClickFunnels email promoting program or affiliate monitoring computer software. ClickFunnels Etison Suite $297 per month. This technique includes all of the capabilities in addition to whistles in the regular tactic, with no limitations. This strategy provides you 2 particular capabilities from ClickFunnels: Actionetics, email advertising and marketing and advertising. Backpack, affiliate management process. In Actionetics you may get in contact using your email list, send email broadcasts. You can also deliver bunch of various email automation inside ClickFunnels Business in a Box. In Backpack, with the pace of a click, you'll be able to incorporate an affiliate application to any within your funnels. Backpack will unquestionably monitor your clicks and revenue, in addition to the amount to pay for your associate partners. There may be a person problem which I always get asked, it's which ClickFunnels system must I get? Click the link below in this video for more updates. The difference between the 2 options is essentially the limitations, and likewise Actionetics, Backpack. If you're a simple client, therefore you believe you aren't going to develop more than 20 funnels inside your account, the fundamental strategy is the best for yourself. Even so, if you propose to acquire an affiliate software or you wish to do email marketing inside of ClickFunnels, Etison Suite is your best option in your case. It is possible to always start with the fundamental approach, after which enhance in the future. Secret Funnel System 6 to 12 months of ClickFunnels for free should you have been trying to find any discount. I should show you that ClickFunnels provides an incredible price reduction in his software program. The $997 Funnel Hacks program comes along with an amazing advertising teaching. As a bonus you obtain 6-month entry to the ClickFunnels Etison Suite without cost. This can be a fantastic deal, due to the fact inside of ClickFunnels Business in a Box 6 months of Etison Suite can cost you simply $1,782. You aren't only preserving $785. However, you're getting a ton of worth from Russell Brunson regarding how to use ClickFunnels to cause you to a fortune. Thanks for watching this video.